how to increase the display size of your mobile device in a very easy method. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can easily increase the display size without having the need to customize each and every setting like font size and app icons. So what you can do in order to do this in a single go is simply click onto the settings of your mobile device, and then you will need to come here under the display and brightness. So if your setting looks like this, you will have a setting that will state something like display or brightness. So simply click onto your display settings, and under the display settings you will be landed into this particular page. Now in this particular page, simply scroll down until you find display size. So from here choose this display size option and click onto this, and now to increase the display size simply click onto this large option and wait for the changes to get applied. And now you can see that my display size is now currently larger. So that's how easily you can choose a larger display size with just a single setting. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.